Welcome to our channel. If you want to opt out of VPN connection requirements or settings on the Lyft app, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage your connection preferences. Step 1. Open the Lyft app on your mobile device and ensure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Settings to access your account configuration options. Step 4. Look for privacy, security, or connection settings within the settings menu. These options control how the app handles your data and network connections. Step 5. Understand that Lyft doesn't typically require VPN connections. If you're using a VPN on your device, you may need to disable it at the device level rather than within the app. Step 6. To disable VPN on your device, go to your device's settings, then navigate to VPN or network settings depending on your operating system. Step 7. Find the active VPN connection in the list and toggle it off or disconnect from it. This will allow Lyft to use your regular network connection. Step 8. Return to the Lyft app and verify that it's functioning properly without VPN. If you experience issues, you may need to keep VPN disabled while using the app. Step 9. Contact Lyft support if you continue experiencing connection problems or if the app specifically requires VPN settings that you want to change. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.